Hi guys, it's Gordon from Festool UK here, and this is the all-new DTSC 200 18V Delta sander. It's derived from the recently released DTSC. It's a great addition to our range of tools for the painter and decorator and woodworker. And as you can see, we already have an extensive range of sanding tools, but the DTSC 200 brings even more to the range. For large surface areas, we have the ETS 150 and the Planex 225 wall sander. For detailed work and corners, we have the DTS 400 range. Wouldn't it be great to have a larger sander that could reach into corners, and even better, a sander with a light that can help you see into those corners? Firstly, let's take a look at the physical size of the machine. An immediate comparison shows that it's a much bigger surface area than the DTS 400. More surprisingly, it has a 15% larger surface area than our regular 150mm diameter sander. So now you see, you can cover more surface area and get into those details and corners. In addition, the increased length of the delta portion here means you can reach even deeper into tight spaces. We've created a new abrasive design, the triple sanding system. On our existing machine, the DTS 400, when sanding into details, the tip of the abrasive can wear quickly. This can make the paper unusable. The abrasive sheets for the DTSC 200 are now two-part. You simply tear off the delta portion and rotate. You now have not one, but three opportunities to sand on the tip. Our Granat ceramic-based abrasive is your perfect partner, whether sanding paint, plaster or wood. As I mentioned earlier, infinite adjustment of the light. Secondly, you can adjust the run-on of the light. That is the length of time the light stays on after switching off the machine. This could be useful if you need to inspect your work. Lastly, you can simply use the tool as a sight light, up to a maximum of 5 minutes. It's a great feature. The DTSC 200 is available in one version only, the DTSC 200 Basic. I would recommend the 4Ah high power battery as the best option in performance and weight. Included in the sustainer are these. First, of course, the tool. You will also receive this dust bag for those times when you can't get access with your extractor. It's easy to fit, just use this green locking lever. Next, you get this protector. This is designed to protect your upstand when sanding, for example, sanding the tread of a stair without touching the riser. There is space, of course, in the sustainer for your battery and charger should you need them. Our recommended abrasive for this machine is called Granat. They are packed in 10s and 50s and available in grits from 40 to 400 grit. Just a quick tip from me as well. When fitting abrasive to any of our sanders, simply line up 2 holes and the rest will follow. For jobs large or small, if you're a decorator, woodworker or property renovator, the new DTSC 200 from Festool could become your go-to tool. For more information, check out our website. Thanks for watching.